guys, we're in our first piano class. Yes, piano lesson and possibly the last.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 octaves. So, ang combination sa C,
Hello everyone, I'm with my Cleo. It's 2025 guys, and guess what? I have my first order. First parcel ever sa 2025. Okay na?
Open!
Open! Gusto ka ba?
Unsa na? Unsa na? Suludan na. What is this? First ever parcel again.
My first ever purchase here.
Dai. No, what is this? Unsa man eh? What is this? What is this?
Careful.
This is a painting, bro.
Yeah, this one guys. It's the paint by numbers.
Okay,
So, I'm gonna open
mag-paint
this
na
first.
ta. Mag-paint na ta this week. Mag-paint. Let's paint.
Paint?
Let's paint. Paint. I love paint. R double E.
Very good. Ang 3 nga number.
E, then H, then R, then double E.
Guys, story time sa kuan ganina sa piano class is it's our first day sa piano class. It's actually a free class, guys. The purpose of that is for kanang mga kuan bitaw kanang mga teenagers is maka-help og kanang duyog sa simbahan or maka-play sa piano or guitar sa simbahan.
Me,
Sa
I'm
church,
guitar from Alone.
parish, if magmas is makakuan ka, makaduyog sa misa. So, kuan. It's actually not my first time taking a piano lesson, but then I surrendered before when I was in high school kay I felt like it was so difficult because gitudlo ra siya sa ako alargo ang katong mga ana without kanang telling me sa basic katong mga notes. So it was too hard for me. So mga 3 days siguro ko ato kasi nilakaw na ay ni kuana dayon ko wala na dayon ko ni balik sa klase. But then my piano instructor before when I was in high school and now is the same. Yes, Sir Arabis. And then
Sir Rabbit.
Sir Arabis. Shock lagi ka. Yes. And then kuan guys, kanang kanang I had a music lesson back when I was in second year, and I cried a lot during that time kay it was so difficult for me kanang memorizing the notes and then kanang how to balance mga kuan. So yeah, I even kanang thought nga na I will fail that one home music class. But then it's actually really helpful right now. Like kanang when we were kanang discussing kay ganina sa piano lesson ng best kay tituloan sa mga basic and then katong mga ikuanan mi sa mga staff, katong mga family sa chords and kanang ang ako ang background knowledge sa akong music class kay kuan jud siya. Kuan kay siya helpful.
Don't give up.
Wow, di ko mag-give up daw.
Ayaw.
Thank you. So yeah, it's actually fun and yeah, parang I have my piano lessons on Saturday and then we were told guys na after pila ka class is mag-recital me. And it wasn't my first,
Wow!
yeah, it will not be my first time having a music recital or a piano recital.
In
Because
Saturday?
we had na puhon pa dong. Because I had it kanang kuan last year sa among music class. So, I'm actually excited. Pero, guys, ako ti ay ang kinamaguwangan dong kay baby pa ang mga dito mga 7 years old, 10 years old, anak pa sila. So, ako ka 21.
Ikaw
Ako rin-
pinakamaguwang dito.
Oo, dito. Ako rin ko. Ay, si Gian. College naman si Gian. Pero ako gyapon kinamaguwangan, guys. So, yeah. Got my goal.
Kabra sila gani kay kita ay kay magiyo kay kita.
Hello everyone. So, I'm now currently having a part-time job, and yeah, today is the day that I realized and knew that I will not be part of the magna cum laude standing anymore. So yeah, I received my grades today, and as I opened the student portal, I was so anxious with it. And yeah, there was this minor subject and my grade, it's a guys na ko student. I'm having my part-time job. Thank you for that. So now let's start with our words and phrases. Let's begin with this daily news and let's listen to the first word. I'll now play the audio. Hey guys, I'm back. I just finished having one class. So yeah, this morning, as I was saying, I came to know that I'm not gonna be magna cum laude anymore. I actually didn't dream about it because before starting college, I always think about being low-key in school and then surprise everyone that I will the board exam. But then when I started college, I excelled and I received good grades. So that was also the time that I realized that if you can be in Latin honors in college, you will get a discount sa review centers. So that was the time that I really studied hard, and I thought to myself that I should have a Latin honor when I will graduate, because I can have less payment for the review centers. And I also learned that if you're part of the Latin honors, you will not take the civil service anymore. So I was so surprised with that, and I got really inspired to study and to participate in the class so that I will have the Latin honors. But then, yeah, I've actually shared this already in my reviews diary here in YouTube, that I'm not sure if I can be able to pass one of my minor subjects. So yeah, thankfully, fortunately, I was able to pass it, but then my grade is not enough to still be on the standing for the magna. Of course, I'm still capable of staying in the cum laude or being cum laude. too close for me to reach that one, but then because I was able to get in grade of 86, and if you will be, it is my lowest grade for all these years ako sa college, like first year, second year, and now I'm in third year and I received the grade. So I didn't cry, of course. I was just thinking about it, and then yeah, I just came to accept it. Yeah, I just accepted it, but it was sad. Yeah. But when I calculated my grade, guys, I'm still gonna be a vice president's lister, and it made me sad because my grade is still suitable for the vice president's lister, but not for magna cum laude. I only experienced being a dean's lister once, and then the rest I'm a vice president's lister. So it's actually so sad for me not being able to have that one. It's my yeah, that's what I have said a while ago. I've never dreamed about this before starting college, because I was always thinking that I will just shock everyone, that I will top the boards, but then I will be as low-key as I can be on my college days. But then it didn't happen, guys. Maybe a lot of people will criticize me and say that it's just a grade, of course, but then for someone who always craves for academic validation, it's so sad for me. It's so hurtful. But I distracted myself by watching K-drama. I already finished watching Band of Rings, and now I'm watching Queen of Thieves. I'm still on episode 4. So yeah. Hey there, everyone. So yes, guys, as you can notice, I don't know if you can notice, but then I straightened my hair yesterday. So I went to the hair salon yesterday, January 8th at 1 p.m. 1 in the afternoon. But then I went out sa salon. It's already January 9, almost 2 in the morning. It was so insane. So yeah, it took us a lot of time finishing my hair. It's because first I have a really thick hair, and then the second one is I have a long hair. So yes, that's the reason. You guys. So now I have here I don't have a laptop, guys. I'm still saving for it. So I have here the laptop of my auntie, and then I'm currently editing for a school publications. I'm editing it now, and yeah. In my previous also vlog, I think I've shown this one that I've been working for this now for a long time, but then kana na sila i-add ng mga new article. I'm just working on the layout, but I'm not working on what will I put it kanang kuan in the newspaper that they have. This one, hindi siya